the guitar used for this song?
Follow me long enough, I'll put you in my bag. Hey? Yeah, follow me for long enough, I'll stick you in my suitcase. Oh. Bye bye. He's like, no, no bye bye, I'll come with you. Bye bye. How far are you going to walk down here to follow us, eh? Good afternoon, it is Monday. I didn't really talk yesterday in yesterday's vlog because we were just out and about in Lindos and we did the boat trip and it was really pretty and we did the ice bar. And today we're having a relaxed day, so we've just walked up to the supermarket, got some food for lunch because we're going to do a few cheapy meals, but we've made a friend. Careful! Just been following us for about 20 meters, but he didn't want snuggles or fusses, just wants to follow us. But yes, it's very warm, we're both very tanned. It's been a lovely holiday so far, but I think we both just wanted a couple of relaxed days before we head home because we've done 2 busy walky days and now we're going to just chill out by the pool, and tomorrow we're going to chill out by the sea on the beach and not do a whole lot, and then we fly home on Wednesday. Okay, we've made it up most of this hill. It's so windy, I hope you guys can hear me. Very windy, but we made it up this much and it just seems to keep going and we're very hot and getting a little bit hungry and we're both in flip-flops. So we've got this view.